Hi everybody, it is Keke, director of tactics. And it's been a long moment that everyone has been waiting for, especially for him. For and the rest of us still new to us.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You
And now we got
know.
my hands on one of my newest companion that I wanted to be. So I have both of us to stay together. Actually.
Is it?
So
Oh yeah.
actually. No. It's the whole team still together. I mean, yeah.
Isn't that this one?
Are you waiting for? Show us.
Yeah.
Like to assess this, like how.
Wait. And now I got.
One more.
What else?
Yeah. The Power Rangers Lightning Collection is Morpher Gold Ranger. The one with the Mantis DNA. Oh, sorry.
They have falling hazard.
Yeah. This is the Gold Ranger with the Mantis DNA. Oh, it looks like me. It's, wow. I really like it. I can see it's like a saber. I even got hands. This is incredible. I really like it. I kind of like it.
Actually,
That's amazing.
we're not working with
You can
I mean, technically, based on
you can get to know each other, you know. And plus, it's gonna be
Oh, we have to.
it's gonna we're not going to be all alone anymore.
then what
Yeah, use of power.
Right.
Because it's
And now we can open the lightning collection of there. I think it's time. All of our hearts is for with all our hearts. And happiness is gonna be there to help us. So the previous journey to college and a new chapter begins. So in here at the university, for all of us, you always be always. And don't forget, we got an iron. Yeah.
risk of leaving.
3 happens together again.
like potential
3 happens together again.
leading.
Yeah. It'll be okay. We got to decide we all lost. We can catch up together. It's gonna, in fact, this is gonna be a blast. Yeah. We always be with you forever. Okay. If that's okay to stay happy and enjoy your whatever it is you're doing. And do something productive, okay?
That was delicious.
Okay. We come this far, now we have to. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have to get to it. Right?
Follow
Yeah.
safety.
And now let's start filling up, right? Right. Okay. Ready. Okay. Oh? Oh. Oh. Hey,
Yeah, you cut your finger. Time
your mother's gonna be okay. I'm gonna feel it.
Yeah, but this one is one.
Thank you.
Just
See?
put,
You almost made
you're
it
not
home.
allowed to listen to music.
You got us. You got your friends. You got your. Huh? Maybe your family holds it for you.
Things are not allowed.
No. Let's get started, okay? Okay. Let's open it, okay? Okay, everyone. Let's show you some the action figures I'm gonna have to review it, which I opened the box. So, the last one, it took time to do it, to do both stuff for myself. And I'll be back, it's gonna be more easier. So, this is it. That's the Miss Morpher Gold right? And we don't mind this DNA, as you know, he's got to mind this DNA. This is his hands. The hands articulations. And this is the striker saber. That's the striker blaster. And that's his face. Yeah. Yeah. You know, that looks amazing today.
It's lesser than this one.
It is. It is a great addition to the team. Wow. Uh-huh. And you get to, I'm sure you get to know him. We all do. Good. Thank you. So, we better get to it. So, this is his hands. If you see a little closer. Yeah, his hand looks great. He's got articulation. And this is his punch. Right? So, they look amazing. Possibility. This is the striker saber. Wow. This is those very gold. They match very well.
Good result in
Oh,
good result.
Right, that's amazing. This is a striker blaster. It's orange and gold.
Today should wear cotton.
ah, yeah.
Yeah, those fun.
Why is it so
And which it looks very cool and very amazing. Yeah, so that's his weapon. We can use it for the video. We can use it for the try to do. We can use it for the video and not the goals. And this is the lightning ball. Wow. It's the first time I put my hands on one of the lightning collection. So I really like the color. I can use it to make videos with it. But if you point for the saber. Now let me get the gold rangers out. Yeah. This is the gold ranger. So it looks amazing if you ask me. Yeah. Oh. Oh. that was amazing. I took on. Oh, we got the same height. Yeah. It's got great articulation. It's got lots of articulation.
We have to do it in the
The apples, wow. The apples was very amazing.
You can do like the main stages.
You can move his face, you can use his hands, and you can move his feet. And sit down.
Have it? Wait, wait a second.
Actually, you can sit it down. You can use transform, sports.
24.
Oh, you're not 24.
Yeah, I like the color.
I was like, wait a minute.
It's very golden. Also, yeah, you can say that again. You can change your hands articulation if you wanted to. Or you can even put the saber on him. Equip the saber on him. Yeah, that's the spirit. So,
Describing the word.
well, that's. And this is his face. It looks amazing. It looks just like me. And I wait without the glasses, like just the way it is. I'm just happy to be his fan of the Gold Ranger. It just when it first came on the scene of episode 8, the Cybergate opens. I was the Gold Rangers have ever finally hit my face.
All components are.
I started to like it very quickly,
Oh yeah.
just like I did to Barry. The character I liked. Who played this guy. Started to like him from the beginning of the episode. I guess the same thing happens to the character who plays me. High intelligence. Got like with high intelligence. He can use his help. Sure.
Like,
Sure.
we have to like draw the size.
Yeah, with you. So, oh, there you are.
It's not a road.
Oh, hello.
Destiny. Public. Yeah. And you can.
Oh, it's amazing. This is his helmet, so you can change his any position or whatever you like. You can play around with him. Yeah, okay, used to it. Yeah, see that. Thank you, everyone,
So wait, should we
for watching the unboxing of the first Lightning collection with the Gold Ranger. I can keep the box anyway. Sorry.
That's the appropriate.
I want to keep the box anyway. So, thank you for watching for the unboxing of the first the Power Rangers Lightning collection. The first is from the Wave 2 of the Lightning collection. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Keke Adventure. This is
I mean, the more we need to do the things.
Production signing off.